In today's video, I'll show you how to download and install Actions and Stuff 1.4 in Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Let's get started. First, sign into your Microsoft account and launch Minecraft Bedrock. From the main menu, open the Marketplace, then tap Continue. Next, tap the search bar and type Actions and Stuff. When it appears in the search results, open it and purchase the pack if you haven't already. After completing your purchase, tap the Download button in the top right corner and wait for the download to finish. Once it's installed, tap Activate Texture Pack. Then go to My Packs, select Actions and Stuff, and tap Activate. After that, open the Active section to confirm that the pack is enabled. If you ever want to disable it, simply tap Deactivate. You can also tap the Settings icon to adjust the texture pack's resolution and other available options. Now you're ready! Launch your world and enjoy Minecraft Bedrock with the Actions and Stuff 1.4 texture pack enabled. That's it for this tutorial. If this video helped you, be sure to leave a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.